वज़ीर आज़म नवाज शरीफ ने साहिवाल कोल पावर प्लांट का बाकायदा इफ्तिताह कर दिया। ये मंसूबा 660 मेगावाट के 2 यूनिट्स पर मुश्तमिल है। वज़ीर आज़म ने इस मंसूबे का संग बुनियाद 30 मई 2014 को रखा था। इस मंसूबे को अपनी मुद्दत से 6 माह पहले मुकम्मल किया गया है। ये प्रोजेक्ट 660 मेगावाट के 2 यूनिट्स पर मुश्तमिल है और इस पर चीनी माहिरीन के अलावा चीन से तरबियत याफ्ता 190 पाकिस्तानी इंजीनियर्स भी काम कर रहे हैं। इस मौके पर खिताब करते हुए वज़ीर आज़म ने कहा,
The ambassador of China, who is sitting right here, the interest that he has taken in the implementation of CPEC in Pakistan is laudable. I would also like to congratulate and compliment all our Chinese friends who have been working on this project together with their Pakistani counterparts, and have completed this project within a record period of 22 months. It is certainly, as Mr. Shahbaz Sharif has rightly put in, is unprecedented in the history of Pakistan. To complete such a gigantic project in merely 22 months is something which is certainly extraordinary. And I want to also compliment all those young engineers who've been working on this project for the last 22 months. I've been overwhelmed to see them working here today. They are fresh graduates from Engineering University, and they are working in different capacities. And I was really very happy to see them.
नवाज शरीफ का कहना था,
So this is not the only project which is coming up in Pakistan or in Punjab. I have had the honor of inaugurating the Biki power plant recently, which is LNG based power project, and that will also produce about 12 to 1300 megawatts of power. And this project will generate 1320 megawatts. Today it is generating 660, and the balance 660 will be generated in the next, it will start generating in the next 2 to 3 days time. I think this is a tremendous achievement on the part of Chinese engineers, Chinese workers, Pakistani engineers and Pakistani staff. They are working
वज़ीर आज़म नवाज शरीफ ने मजीद कहा,
hand in hand, hand in glove, and I think this could be really become an example in the history of Pakistan. It's certainly Punjab speed. It is PMLN speed. It is Punjab speed. It is PMLN speed, and I must compliment the Chief Minister of Punjab for having done this great job. Shahbaz Sahab, hats off to you. You've called me a hero. You are a hero yourself. Well, when we took office in 2013, we inherited 3 major challenges. Number 1 was a challenge of power shortage, acute power shortage in Pakistan. The number 2 challenge that we inherited was extremism and terrorism. And number 3 was the revival of economy. And Alhamdulillah, our efforts are now bearing fruits. MashaAllah, we have made enormous progress on all these 3 fronts. We have broken the back of terrorists in this country. We've dismantled their networks. We have destroyed the infrastructure. And MashaAllah, the terrorism in this country is now on the decline. It is eliminating, and inshallah we will not rest until we eliminate the last terrorists in this country.
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties. मुल्की, बैनुल-अक़वामी
समाजी, सियासी, तिजारती, सकाफती, तफरीही, मालूमाती और खेलों से जुड़ी हर छोटी बड़ी खबर का मरकज TNN TV।